everyone, this is Bonogram Bazaar. You can see the crowded area. The fresh vegetables are being sold here, and people are buying their products. So it's a wonderful place. The weather is little gloomy, it might rain. So you can see the fresh vegetable, green papaya, coriander, bottle gourd, lots of things. People also bought. Bhai murgi koto holo duita? 2 pieces of chicken. That's were bought only 1,000 taka by that person. You can see this is a fantastic place. A nice place, to be honest. I really like this place. Thank you.